Okay, welcome guys. This is gonna be a weird one. Okay. We're gonna test something out new that we haven't tried before, so hopefully it'll work. But anyway, how you guys doing? I'm just worried about how the technology of this is gonna work out. Okay. Welcome guys. Setting up. We gotta set one more thing up. Here I go. Here. Streamer mode on. Okay. Looks like we're ready to go. Okay. You gotta just go right into here. Just brace yourself. Whop. Okay. Hi guys. That's a lot of people. Hello. Let me just make sure. One sec. There we go. Okay. That should be good. Okay. Right. Sorry. So this is a little bit different. We're gonna try and use this different website-ish. It's draw dot chat. It's really hard to say there. But it's this like interactive like whiteboard canvas that we can draw together. So already we got 200 people. We got cooking starts already in here, and they're already drawing along. I can get the link for this. Probably should have had that on standby. Let me just go down here a little bit. So copy the clipboard and then see if I post it in YouTube and then pin it. Maybe. Here we go. So now that thing should be on top. We'll see how long that's on there. Or if it gets booted off. We'll see. I never tried that before. That's a new button. But anyway, so it's a website as well as a phone. You can use it on mobile as well, but you have to use your hand to draw, so it's a little weird. But yeah, I'm already doing hands off because we can see other people's already drawing already. So the other thing is that if you want to draw or change your name, you can do /Nick, N-I-C-K, space your name. Because I don't know why it does. It's probably by like a nice child-safe mode to keep it, not have your real name on there as you go in there. So again, if you want to change your name, I think it's /Nick, space your name, and then that's how you'll change your nickname if you want to change that as well. Alright. How you guys doing now? We're all mostly on here. Hi, Miguel. Hi, Charles. Yeah. I mean, this is great. Like, I'm all hands off, and like all this stuff is already being drawn. Yeah. I might want to make the chat go away. Oh, look at all that. This is great. I was actually thinking about making it a new page, but I guess we're already started on here, so I think we'll just go with this. So yes, we know what we're doing. We're using a website to collaborate and draw together. So I could like draw on top of other people's stuff, and they'll see it in real time as well. So we don't really have any like dedicated like thing that we're trying to do. Not like a picture in game or any kind of set goal for this, but it's just this could be real fun, and we're just gonna have fun with this. So obviously because it's so public and everything, so if you draw anything offensive, you're gonna be banned or some equivalent of it. So I dropped my pen. That's a good sign that my it's all ready to go. Yeah, so I just do this weird Derpy, just make it like a graffiti version already before we even start. So it's like, I did it beforehand, so you don't have to do that for me. Okay. Yeah, so I think we're just gonna be basically just drawing for the next hour and see where we go with this, really. The only thing is that when you move to the canvas a little bit, it has to reload everything, but it only takes like a couple of seconds. So it's not too bad, but yeah. So if you guys are wanting to join, the link is in the pinned comment, which is still in the top, but you can join along and draw along with us. The other thing too is if you're in chat and you feel like you're stuck and don't want to or can or want to participate, you can help with suggesting ideas. That'd be fun. So if the YouTube chat, I'm pointing right at your chat. If you'd like to suggest some ideas, maybe the artist here can draw it for you. I just added that a couple minutes ago. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. If this works well, we can probably like next time, maybe see if this works first, and then we can do like different games. Maybe like a Pictionary style thing. I don't know. Like we can have like maybe like the chat figure out be a team, like the chat team and like the draw team can be different. But yeah, try to make everything same of interactivity so you guys can feel like you're still part of it as well if you're not actively drawing like us, which I haven't really drawn anything so far, but I don't have to. It's with all this is going. Yeah, we got commissions already going. They're all ready for you. So alright, looks like someone found a text tool. Alrighty. So yeah, if you guys, yeah, it's got to load everything as I zoom in there. I'll just move a little bit over here, and then see where we are. All right. I want some space for my drawing as well. So yeah, should be pretty chill up there just trying to draw some stuff. Doesn't really matter what it is. But I'll keep track of you chat guys over here. If you want to join, link is in the pin. See if that works. So hello everyone. Alrighty. So that's about the gist of what we're doing. If you we have different layers actually. Up here, what do we got? Next to this pill, it's this up and down arrow, and that's your layer switcher, and so that'll switch between up and down layer. So I guess that means maybe you can like draw on a separate layer than everyone else, maybe, but just on like 2 layers. It seems what that is. But yeah. All right. In commission. Alrighty. Well, we already got like 3 other people in here. Maybe one of them will join it, draw it for you. Never know. So yeah, chat can suggest things, keep up with anything else you want to talk about. Like, if you see anything that I'm missing, let me know. But suggesting like characters or backgrounds or something, and then one of us will draw it probably. Yeah. So who's already in here is me, Star, Cookie, and Gosake. Guess I didn't forgot to change your nickname. But it's really cool. I like how you can... I haven't drawn anything yet. I like how you can change the... where you can see like where the people's canvases is. That's really cool. But yeah, the only thing is that when you move it out, so they actually load from the beginning, and it's just like, like you just want to draw. Let's see. Yeah. It's part of Draw Team. Yes, I do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays in America time. So that'll be now. But yeah. Looks like we're at a bunch of stuff. This is just fun. I'm actually just like hands off. This is really fun. Ooh, we already got little corners now. We can't see it. Cookie's trying to make its own little corner around here. Whoop. Yeah, because that's to like sync everything and a lot of different layers going on. Alright. And Charles. Hi, Padra. If you'd like to join the weird collaboration that we're doing, you can join with the link in the pinned message. And then it'll be part of here. And if you want to change your nickname, it's /NICK, so Nick, and then space, and then whatever name you want. So, looks like we got some more people. Let's see. See what we got here. Yeah. Alrighty. Oh. Go back. Okay. I'm actually at a loss for what to draw. That's a little... There's a lot of stuff now. It's taking up a lot of memory. Eventually it will probably run out of memory. As this is a free application, it only has like 10 megabytes per sketchbook. I think this is what this whole canvas is called. Did I say it wasn't sponsored by Draw Chat yet? So, I'm not. This is just a, like, type in Google, like, I want to do canvas multiplayer drawing thing, and this came up. So it's like, there you go. This actually works pretty well. I'm just having more fun just watching you guys. Probably should be drawing something. This is my thing. This is my live stream. How are we doing? We got a lot of people now. So I can individually click on you guys. Like I could be like a spectator and go like, where are you guys drawing? Like Cookie's over here. Okay. And Padra. There you go. Okay. Womp. So there's a toolbar at the top. It depends on where you are. But yeah, if it's mobile, I think it's still at the top, but you only get to see like that much of it, so you like have to scroll around. I tried it with the phone for a bit to see like if the desktop and the mobile like work. And it's like it works really well. Like the lag is like only like 1 second off, so it's like really incredible. Even with the mobile, you can like see like these little boxes that say where we are. It actually moves around and like rotates. So alright. He's if you wanna, yep, looks like Cookie's already where my head is. So I can go to Cookie and then I can just do this and then see where we are as it loads in. There we go. So I can like do the spectator and like be the, so I can like be the person like look around and see like, ooh, look who's drawing here. Like I don't have to draw. That was great. Oh, and then that's like load everything in. Let's see. There's Padra. Padra's over there. Oh yeah, we got this giant Star Wars here over here. Yeah, so you can see like the whole canvas is really big. Oh man. Let's go back to, let's see. Cookie's in a good spot. It's like one of those esports things where it's like, oh look, let me just go around the field here and see what we got. Wow. I should probably should find a corner or something and start drawing things and see what we got. I just lost inspiration for a little bit. I think I'm just gonna draw SpongeBob or something. I don't know. If you guys any things you would like to see, the chat team. I'll have your YouTube chat be the chat team, and then we'll be the draw team where we actually draw around. I think it'll be pretty good. Okay, I'll just draw something here. And then if chat team wants to suggest anything as well. I keep saying that just because I don't have anything really to draw at this moment. So I'm just gonna draw SpongeBob just because I recently draw SpongeBob for like a weird one thing, like as a warm up. So yeah. So I just like really wanted to draw SpongeBob again, just because I'm slightly good at it. I've drawn SpongeBob since I was a kid, so I'm just gonna do that. Yeah. Go ahead and draw what you like. We're not really having any ulterior motives for any of this, really. So I just draw this scale. I probably should have zoomed in or something, but then you want to be able to see everything else that's going on. So, you know. Yeah. This feels like weirdly chaotic, but it's like also like pretty chill. So, oh, someone pressed the back button. So that creates a worldwide delete or like refresh kind of thing. You know. Ah, window's closed. Oh no. You gotta reopen it. Hopefully I haven't really tried it to see if you log back in, does it like only do like you won't be able to get back in or something? I'm not sure. about that. Hopefully it should, you know. Like, this is like a lobby, so it shouldn't, like, you know, if you log back in, it shouldn't be, like, gone. Let's see. Alright. Gotta focus on his drawing. He's got one long leg. That's okay. Yeah. Okay. That's a decent enough SpongeBob. I'm okay with that. Okay. Let's see how you guys are doing. Stars way out there. So I can kind of see everything's here. Cookie. Let's see. That's it. Loads in. We got a SpongeBob's cooking up. Ha! Let's see. Kosake is way out there. Alright. I can kind of see everything else too. And Padre on the left, but looks like you're back in. Are you okay now? Let's see. Alright. Why is there so many more people in here last time? Alright. So I can kick back to normal and then pan it. Alright. Get back to my SpongeBob. Yeah, that's the only thing is that it's a little bit tricky. It's weird how we're a little bit off of how we usually draw. I don't know if it's like this program itself or just like the weird input lag or something about it. But it's, I don't know. Yeah, we can draw better than this. Alright. You're in? Ooh, okay. And again, if you want to change your name, /NICK space name, whatever you want it to be, and then it should work. Let's see. Looks like the saturation of this it's not loading all the way. They think we might have hit the limit. Is anyone still drawing? This is not fully doing everything. Or it's just taking a while. Let's see. Ooh. No curved line tool. Oh yeah. It's paint-esque. I would say it's not quite everything. Not everything's here from paint, but it has like more general purpose tools rather than like for us drawers and animators. I know my SpongeBob, it's not quite getting all the way there. Oh no, we might have to start a new page. That might work better. Because we might have ran out of memory. Probably because my weird derpy in the middle. I can make a new page and then we can start from there. Doodle-doo-doo. How do we think about that? Because if it's not loading everything, I haven't tried fully with this to see all of this. New page. Let's make a new page. Okay. Got a new page. Okay. And hello, Lucilla. Okay. So, I went to a new page in the bottom left corner. There is a 1 and a 2. Page 1 was our first page, and now page 2 is our second one. So, we'll see if this works better. And I guess we can keep adding more pages if we keep filling it up. So, we're all moving over to page 2. That's where we'll... Hello. That's where we'll be here now. Because we probably filled it up with the 10 megabyte limit of drawings. Remember that's just for like exporting it. Make a new music. Let me see that. Ah, yeah. Looks like his eyes is weird though. Let's go to Cookie. Oh yeah. He's only like doing like some lines now, like only the current lines. Like some of these aren't displaying anymore. That's weird. Huh. Hello. Here, let's see. Oh, okay. Thanks, Miguel. Whoa. Zoom out a bit. Okay. I feel like I'm not drawing and I feel bad, but it's like, yeah, it's there's too many other people to pay attention to. Okay. Yeah, maybe we could have like more structured kind of a thing later. But yeah, we'll just kind of just practice this stream and then we'll again like make some kind of more thought out kind of a plan to this. Okay. Can't drive the mouse. Oh no, that's bad. Again, there's the alternative is trying to draw it on a phone, where you use the phone, and then you just use touch tablet kind of thing. So there's that opportunity. Hopefully that'll work for you guys. Everything's kind of like desaturated. Is maybe your pens are like not black enough? So let me see. Oh yeah. Let's see. I'm trying to see, like, this should be black, but it's kind of gray. So that's a little weird. Let me just erase that. Yeah. So it's like, it should be black to be... Black should be black color, but it's like this weird gray color. That's weird. Okay. Well, we'll go with it. If it becomes like a super big issue, then we'll probably just make a whole new sketchboard or whatever you call it. Otherwise, I think we'll just have to... We'll make do with this. Okay. Yeah, it's very faded. I don't know why. I don't know how that's really showing up on my capture and everything. Because it's not really too visible. Probably guys want to use more thicker pens. So it's probably just go with the... It's probably too thick. I'm just gonna play with this. That's a race. Okay. Yeah, we'll just keep going with this and say like, yeah, it's starting to like disappear as I draw. My picture disappeared. That's not good. So I draw it again, what happens? And if I move it? Huh. Yeah, my drawing's disappearing. Oh no. I don't know what this is. Let's erase that. If people are still on the first page, that might be destroying things. And now I got a third page that I was unaware of. Look at that. Wow. Good thing that's a horse. Okay. Go back to page 2. Let's see. Obviously, I've never done this before, so it's hard to... We're just getting the kinks out of this. So I'm not sure how things are slowly disappearing. Let's see. Okay. Square blue. I think... I'll look that up. Because if that works way 100% better than this, then we might just use that. Scribblio. Oh, okay, yes. Scribble.io. So I can make a private room for that. Everything's gone. I'll go to a new page so you'll have something to look at. There's horse. Everything's slowly going away. Okay. I will look up Scribblio and then see if this works. So I can create a private room just to see what it does and then go with that. Oh, it's a game. Yeah, I want it to just be like this where it's just a canvas and we just draw things on it. So that might not work for what I want. Let's see. Let me draw. Okay. Sorry guys if weird technical things are going on. Obviously I'm not able to 100% debug everything at the same time. So let's see. What should draw? Make sure you're using the pen tool. It sounds weird, but it's just like, if that's the problem. It looks... Checking you out. Okay, so it's working, but I see how that's going. Okay. Good. Okay. We'll come back to that. Okay. I don't know how to copy the design. Oh, you're trying to do text? Yeehaw. Let's see. Is it just us or is this per... Okay. So there's as many people that are actually on here, so it's 4 people. Okay, good. Yeah, so I don't know what is happening here. Maybe this is just taking up a lot. Whoa, there's a lot of things. That's probably it. Maybe the man brought or something in here. Okay, SpongeBob disappeared. This is working better. Okay. And then someone else was in page 2. Padra's playing around with that. Yep. Okay. I can kind of see that it was sort of how it was like ghostly in was probably because it was like trying to get that last 1 bit of the animation to get it fully colored, and it was just like not working. So looks like this works better. So yeah, we'll just go here, and I'll try to find a spot to draw as well. I want to draw. I'm drawing horse. I got a thick pen. Let's erase that. Okay. We'll be in here. That'll be fun. Okay. Is that one okay? Am I missing anyone of like, oh no. Like Padra being page 2. Okay. Yeah, it's hard. I'm not sure how to really help with that. I'm sorry. What else we need? We need Fluttershy. I'll get her. Blip, blip, blip. And then these make a heart shape or something. Alrighty. I don't know what kind of expression this is going to be. There we go. I keep wanting to like move things because that's just usually how I draw. Probably move the tablet a lot or like move the screen around. So it's more like a rarity shape of their like your hair. Oh well. Yeah, it's alright. You guys are great. Is that Spike? Oh, that is great. Look at this. Yeah, this is what I kind of like almost expected. So it's like, this is great. I'm gonna make my little there. Just making those little lines in there. There we go. Alrighty, we're doing great. Let's see who's where. Cookie's there. I'm there. Oh, is looking at that really big. And Padra's, look at that! That looks great. Are you trying to use the, well, you're either using a mouse or a phone, so, apologize for that. Your pen size changed. Oh, jeez. Now we got a 4th page, apparently. And apparently other people can just do that, where you can add new pages without being administrator. Nothing's on here yet. Okay, hi Lucia, which is also Miguel, but hasn't changed. Okay. I like this page. Alright. Move that over. I think I see a Rainbow Dash new. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. That's great. Look at that go. Alright. This like gonna be Violent Smash. Oh, this is great. Look at you go. I don't know what else to draw. I'll draw a rump or something and say like, oh, it's Fluttershy supposed to be. I think it's because we never really just center ourselves on it. It's got short legs. Get rid of that. I don't know, now she's a swan. Here we go. Let's get some blue water. Yeah, you guys can change colors too. It's kind of fun. If one of you guys want to color it in. So I can probably go on a lower layer, go to my yellow. Choose a good yellow. And then get it to be big. And then it should be underneath. Yeah. So I can color it in and then see if I can erase it, and it should not do that. Okay. So we're learning about that. That just okay. Let's start over. That's the fun of it. Okay, so how do I do this? So open an eye again. And we'll just draw it again. So it sort of works. Okay. Well, it's not as bad as my like weird Bob Ross thing I made last time. Where's my ink dropper? So I can get the exact color. And then see if this works. There we go. Okay, now we're back on track. And it's also a different color. I don't know why I did that. This is horrible. Oh dear. Hopefully in time I'll get better at this and be able to make up for this, because this is horrendous. Someone help like color zero in or something. Okay, so I get the pink now. Oh dear. Because it really helps, like, you really get to see like other people's like styles, and it's like, whoops, uh-oh. Like, I'm not the best artistically person here, and that's okay. Let me just fill this in and say like, yep. Yeah, I'm more of a, I don't know, animator. So I never really, even like in fine art classes in like college, I always felt like I was not quite up to snuff with other people. And that's okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's not press that button. Everything implodes. There we go. I got you guys to color guys in. Nice. There we go. Got some shading, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Good. Let's see how everyone's are doing. Now we got good. It's a pony. I'm happy about that. Yeah. Nice. Okay. That's our 3. That's our 2. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Ah, great work. Look at it phasing in and out. Maybe instead of doing the back undo button, try and use the erase button. I think that's for everyone else. Please use the erase button instead of the back arrow button, because back arrow button seems to be slightly glitchy, where that one actually refreshes everything, and if it gets stuck refreshing or something, then that's how we got the like low opacity version for a lot of that. So probably for the best to use the eraser button and then just like erase it for that. So that's what happened in page 1, where somewhere in here it kind of lost. So page 2, page 3. Scootaloo. Yeah, that's great. I like our mind stores. Let's see. And we got that one. Now we got people in here. Oh, I got a cute little hat. Is that a cookie? There we go. Let's go on here now. There's more room. I don't know how many pages we can add to this. It seems like a lot more than I figured. So, meow. That's good. Let's zoom in here. Oh, I like the. Whoop. I like the change between, like it's hard to see on probably our screen, but like the lines are like Microsoft Paint style, where it's raster and like pixelaty. While like I think Cookie drew this one where it's more like vector, where it's using more math to like make straighter lines. Even like it's, yeah, like it could be using like a polygon type of arcs to things. Yeah, there we go. We gotta quickly see what else we're doing on here. Alright, I like the angel bunny. Padra's in her own world. Let's see. That looks good. It's very up for your your style. Kinda carries well. I'm impressed. Alright, and then page 1, which seems to be slightly abandoned. Okay. I think we'll go to 4. At least for now. Nice. Alright. Looking good. Wish there was like a... Because Flash has like a bounding box zoom in. So like I can bound up... Can like make a box and then say like I want to zoom to this much. While this one just has like set zooms in. So it's kind of hard to work with that sometimes. But yeah. I'm more left-handed. Is it an eraser? Yes. In the top thing, where is it? I just press E on the keyboard. I think it's actually this one. Yeah, it's the one that looks like a weird pill. So like to left of the hand, and then there's an erase button. And then you can erase. Obviously there's something to erase, but if I drew a line and then E, and then erase. So let's use erase button, probably more so than the back button. That's the one that like actually undoes and actually like could, and I think it did, blew up everything. So now we got a page 5. Let's see what's going on here. Good, a horse. Okay. I'm always like so scared. I guess it's like mini heart attack of like, wait a minute, I'm streaming. I don't know what you guys are gonna draw, but you guys are very, very good at keeping this clean so far, so I'm very impressed. Good job. So that means that if we want to do this again, I'll have a more chance of saying yes to. This is great. Look, guys, are you like cooperating? Let's see. Oh, cool. They're actually drawing like one thing, like cooperatively. I can't tell. Maybe one of them are. Can't see who's drawing there. So yeah. Let's see how this one turns out. Yeah. Also, people who are new or don't know what's going on or forgot, we're using a website called draw.chat. It is apparently a free multi-person canvas drawing tool that allows us to like cooperate. So I'm not drawing any of this, but you guys are. So if you'd like to join along, if you're able to go into a different website and join along with us, the link to join is in the pinned message, which thanks YouTube for providing that. That's a new feature to add like pinned messages in live streams, so thank you for that. That really helps me, so I don't have to keep spamming it for that link. So click there and then you can join along. Seem to be working best between seems to work best for desktop and I think somewhat mobile, but remember that mobile you have to use your finger to draw, so unless you're good at that, then go ahead and try that. But it works probably best for desktop, and especially best when you have a tablet to be able to instantly draw on it. So looks like we added a new page. All right. Somewhat pony-esque, so I'm happy about that. All right. See you guys going here. It's like reminds me of one of those paintings or something, like a Van Gogh. Oh, I have a feeling like I know what this is now. Okay. Let's see how. I think it's Miguel or something close to that. See where that goes. Let's see anything new here. Things about the same. 4. Let's see. It's hard to see if there's anything new in here. I think 2. Looks like, whoa, look at that. Oh, we're in here. Look at that. Great. Excuse me. I haven't drawn much, but it's hard to also keep up with everything else going too. Oh, it's also going to say with that weird mid thing was if you like to suggest anything with the, if chat team, oh, now we're right. If chat team, which would be you guys in the YouTube chat, who are not drawing along, you can suggest things for the artist to maybe draw. Probably keep it kind of fairly simple for them, so that they can draw anything. So I guess they can do like simple sketch commissions, but just like weird like draw SpongeBob like I thought, and then they would draw SpongeBob, and then see where that goes, kind of a thing. But yeah, just keep you guys interested and have fun, while like you can still participate in a way. That'd be interesting. So let's see how else we're doing. All right, 3 is about the same. 4, I think people have rented 4 pretty quick. 5, looks like we got some characters. Nice. I think 6 has this. There we go. Yeah, this is coming along. I'm excited to see how this one turns out. There you go. Let's see. I feel bad if I just start drawing because I feel like it'll take you know, everything away from you guys. We actually be spending the time to actually draw along with me and have really fun. So I super appreciate you guys. I was actually really afraid that I'd be alone. So Dream Best page. Dream's pretty good. Yeah, it's most consistent actually. Books. Alright. I think 5. People abandoned 5 yet? That's just me then. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one's turning out well. Hello, Biscuit. Let's see. Let's figure out on... What was it? It was 2, actually. Okay. Let's see how Padros is going now. Yeah, considering it's not your forte with the software and everything, this is actually turning out really well. I'm impressed. This definitely looks very similar to how you regularly draw. So, it really translates really well to this program. I'm very surprised how that works. Look at that. It is a bit slow, like how you have to very carefully, like everything's on one layer. I know in Flash you'll be able to just draw things on different layers and just hide things behind others, so you don't have to make sure that every little line doesn't overlap. Like there's overlapping lines, you would just make a like a shape layer on top, or have like the front of the main be have like a green underneath, so then like the horn wouldn't be affected in any way. And then you would have the horn be a completely different image as well if you had Flash. But this works just as well, and it's just supposed to be like for... I think the main thing for this was to be more for like classrooms to be able to use this. So like, I don't know what kind of situation where a professor would want to use this to, ooh, big learn, to like make like math things and like, oh, I need to do like 4 + 8, and be like, okay, let me try to see it and be able to collaborate with that and ask questions in a more studious session. But I guess this works as well. Let's check around and I'll check how you guys doing. Good. Good to hear. People walked out of that one. How's 6 doing? Yeah, I'm excited to see how 6 is going. Wow. Low, fi, if, flop. Cool. You got everything going on here. You got everything. You got the horse. You got the window with the cat. You got the desk with the fan. And you're studying. You got your bookshelf. Wow. This is great. I'm only like being really aggressive against myself. Like, oh, my drawings are the worst. Oh man. Look at that. That's great. Way to go. And it's just like, I don't remember. I didn't really tell many people. I only like told people like about this like only like an hour ago that we're gonna be doing this. Like on the Discord, I just said like, hey, check to see if this works. I'm not sure. Like I haven't really tested to see if whether or not this this program actually still operates and like actually is multiplayer, and like if the multiplayer like works enough that if we draw something, how long does it take for the other one to move? So this works really well. I think it was just the first one where we probably just like overloaded it or something weird happened, but I think it works pretty well right now. So look at this. I mean, we're just having a whole like wall of artwork at the end of this. Um, so yeah, let's go back through and see how we're doing. Oh, we're adding. Whoa, ooh, look at that. Yeah, I told you about the layers, so you can have it behind it. Very good. Just checking to see how we all doing. There's probably like a lot of layers to do. Okay. I guess the guy should just click to see where you guys are, and then not fumble around with that. So that works too. There's not too many people that I can just click around and see like, oh, see where you guys are. Look at that circle. You guys are great. We'll go for another like 15 minutes, and then we could do like a nice art walk, and then see where you guys are. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna be probably works best to be like a more manager than actually being trying to draw as well, because that all you guys are actually separated by like, different pages, so it makes it a little bit tricky to show off that you guys are actually drawing. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I was gonna draw like the whole castle like SpongeBob or something. So you have to do Squidward better than me. Oh, look at those solid shapes. W, got the lo-fi. Let's see. That looks great. And if you want to, you can color it in if you want. But obviously, no pressure to that. It might ruin a couple things if you're not careful. Let's go around here. Oh, look at that. That's great. I'm gonna move it up a little bit to get everything in here. Okay, great. How we doing? Anyone in chat? I don't know. Lost what I was gonna say. Anyone in chat wanna? Forgot what I was gonna say. Oh man, that's the worst. Because I looked at chat and then it's like, wait, I don't know what to say now. I'm gonna drink. Anything to offer for the artist to do anything? I keep saying that, but I think that's the only like real thing that can really influence the art team. Because obviously the art team is just really just you guys, whoever like comes in here. Oh, I can't see what's going on here. Oh, we got really small. I'm kind of like this weird like vendetta against like England and UK is going on. We can't read it. I'll zoom in one more. I could do it twice. There we go. Is that Pinkie Pie? Yeah! Oh, I'll just put up her gloves. Oh, man. Some boxing gloves on there. Look at that go. Let's go back to Padra. This is just going around. This is hard. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm not sure that this is very... it's not the most intuitive as compared to like Flash, which I'm more used to, where again I'm able to just sketch things out really softly or quickly, and then add a new layer, and then draw it much more cleaner with vector lines. So that's just star and cookie. Oh, okay, good. That there's no nothing past that, please. Where it's just anything real going on here. Ooh. What's going on here? I'll draw Patrick just to say like I drew something on here. Okay. I could draw it with the outline, colored outline. That'll be fun. And I could draw like a happy Patrick or something. Just to say like, yeah, I drew that kind of a thing. Yeah, see what I mean? Like it's very like loose. Like none of these lines really connect with each other, but it's just like, yeah, it says like that's a gourd kind of a shape. More so than this is what it's supposed to be or something. I like kind of like correct as I go as well. Where these aren't very together, I guess. Let me use a different color. Got exactly how these characters look. So this isn't gonna be as accurate. Let's see. Let's get like that dark pink. Whoop. That's the only thing. Yep. You can't slide in here, so you have to change color first. Okay. Let's get a little couple eyes. And then big mouth. There we go. And he's got these like eyebrows that are like Z's, like the Ash Ketchum has. Eye drop. Sorta. Yep. That's like not doing that. Okay. Come on. Arm. There we go. That looks pretty good. I'll go with that. I could fill it in, but I'm not really too adamant about that. What color is his mouth? Maybe like a red for his. Maybe for his tongue. There we go. Alright. You're like really serious when I start like actually drawing, you know. More orangey for the rest of his mouth. There we go. Yeah. I know what you mean, like with the paw draw. That it depends on like if you're not have the right tools exactly to do this. I know it'd be really hard. Like before I would like settled on using this as a tool. I thought we could like do some Pictionary sort of things. So I was gonna almost like gonna use like an online Pictionary web application thing, like some kind of game, and it's just like I'm not, you know, gonna, you know, the Pictionary web thing wasn't gonna. I see Mr. Krabs. Look at him go. The money's always right. Yeah, the one that I was gonna use, my tablet wasn't working. Like, it wasn't able to, like, connect with the tablet. It was really weird. Very weird. That looks great. I'm very impressed. That's probably better than what I could do. So, but yeah, with the Pictionary thing, I was like, we could do it, but it'd be more frustrating on my end that I'm not able to use my stick, pretty much. And it would just be upsetting. And it would just like all these like, why am I doing this kind of thing? It's just like, we're just drawing, oh no, cheese. And it'd be like, wow, you drew a cheese. And it's like, anyone else can do that. So, you know, it's like, well, let's just be creative and just like draw on here. And draw whatever I want. I will say that it is very good. Better than you. Yeah. Way better than Star. Yeah, take that. Give us try trolling Cookie. Where's Cookie? Okay, he's looking at. Oh, we're gonna get season this. No, get out of there, mouse. No, we can't have him. Oh no, that's okay. I don't know how we're gonna get sued by mouse or whatever. Look at this. That's a giant horse. Yeah, there we go. Looks like I got a page 7 now. Let's see how the hip hop is going pretty good. Look at that. Oh, that's great. Reminds me of like my old Meverse posts. They would be like in this weird like vector pencil style, and they look like this. Looks like City. It's gonna be drawn on here. Let's see how that goes. So it's not part of Walt Disney. Where were we? We should like name these so I can see where we are. Yeah. What's that horse saying? Let's see. Can't read it. Cookie smells good. There we go. Okay. Oh, you guys are great. We got around 5 more minutes, and then we'll have to say stop, and then I'm not sure how to say stop, but I put your pencils down at the end of that. Read the best that I can do, and then we can look through it. And then I can... Well, I guess we'll figure that out later of where to keep this. Or I could, like, delete it, and then we can start again later. But yeah, probably during time we'll figure all that. Let's see where everyone is. Look at that. Aw, that was good. Not a pony. Oh boy. All right. Whoa. Oh. Oh, I see it. Cool. Nice. Muffin to Derpy. There we go. These guys are great. Okay. I was like so nervous. I was like, if you start drawing scissors and cannons, is like, I'm gonna ban you all. You guys are great. Can we play? Maybe. The only reason would be that it doesn't quite work with my tablet, as well as it just being like a boring set of like draw cheese and draw muffin, and it'd be like, I don't know, it like limits like my imagination in a way where not able to just, you know, draw whatever I like to see. Like, go, I have like billions of toys behind me and go, that one, and then start drawing that as a thing. So, but yeah, if you guys want to do that, I'll be open to it, but I just don't think it'd be like my preferred next thing to do. So this one works well because we can, I hope we're running it again. It works well because we're able to draw whatever we want. I'm gonna see how you guys are doing. Derpy, no! Wow. Not the scissors. Oh no. Thanks for keeping the scissors open. That's what I was afraid of. Let's see. If I draw an even bigger. Wow. You can play Minecraft? Oh, cool. It was just about done anyway. So, I think you guys were really playing with this. This has actually been really fun. Much more fun than I expected it to be. Oh no. Let's see what's going on. Oh no, is that the cannon? No. Was it a horse cannon? Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. How's the chat team going? How you guys doing? I'm scared what's going on here. Oh, so you have like a toilet paper roll in your head? We got another page. I'm scared. Yeah. So in a couple minutes I'll say like stop, and then hopefully you guys will stop. But I guess if you want to, I can keep this open, and then you guys can keep drawing, but probably makes more sense to like draw it on your own. Because if I delete it, then it'll be deleted off my thing. Your nose is stuck in a glass. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Look right. Whoa, scared. So yeah. I'll keep this open for a little bit and see you guys are doing. Bye, draw. Wow. CW. Cool. Alright. Woo, woo, woo. I'll play Minecraft. Whoa, 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 wow, woo. For 10 years. Wowie. Sub to Yoshi. Looks like you're going away. Okay, great. Alright. Check page 8. I'm scared. And yay! Alright. I could like highlight it. Like yellow. No, that's not yellow. I wanted that one. Yeah. There we go. Wow, 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 wow. Nice. Alright. And yay. Alrighty. This has been incredible. I thought this was gonna be like way lamer and like not as fun as I expected it to be. Once I kind of realized it was hard to like, you know, there were so many people that it had to like, you know, uh, say like, oh well, I'll just kind of just be the esports moderator and just say like, oh look at that guy, he did the triple flip, wow, and then move around to all you guys. Yeah. Oh, it's sad. um, yeah. So maybe like next time we could try to do the scribble, but I'm not sure how exactly that might go. We're sad, but also crying sad. I'm not sure. Um, yeah, it's been really fun. I'm actually really impressed. But yeah, once I figured out to just like once it was on different pages too, it became like hard to sit down and like I'm gonna draw a thing. I think just having to be more creative and just like everyone do whatever they wanted was probably really good. All right, let's do the. Unfortunately, the saturation on this kind of went low, but we kind of see a lot of things. So obviously, I started with this weird like derpy that already had like some things going on. It's like Cookie was over here for a bit. Yep. Let's see. That's page 1. Excuse me. Looks like this one. I don't know. Things get exploded here, and everyone erase it. 2 or 3. Looks like we got some more regular employees. Look at all these guys. 4. Yeah, that's nice. I like that one. Yeah, it reminds me again of like how I used to draw. Looks all that. It's good. Weird smells. Good. I love these like layers of like different sizes and everything. Like we have like things that are like inside of pupils, like entire universes if we want. Fortunately, I want to be able to figure out like who drew everything, but I drew to Patrick. Haha. Alrighty. 6. That lo-fi real studying going on here. Looks good. Really impressive. Yeah, again, it reminded me of that Miiverse that I made. Like in 2013 or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to figure it out. I'm not sure. I'm a little bit biased against it just because it's like doing an actual video game. I'm not sure if we'd want to do video games, really. This is just like an art thing instead of anything. Here's our end card thing. Nice. Thank you for that. That's over there. Can't read the first word though. Applying Minecraft for 10 years. Nice. That's a good creeper. It's nice and almost symmetrical. That's great. Oh, beautiful. We got the toast time. Wow. That's a good Yeti. Yeah, we'll have to see and compare it with my other Yeti. Oh, that's great. Look at him go. Look at all these toasters. Wow. That's great. He's a little trippy there. Alright. Well, I guess we already got our toaster time here. I could just talk about it. Looks like Cookie's the last one left. So thank you sincerely. This is for keeping this being really, really fun. I know there was some little weird hiccups, and I'm sure some of these technical bits could be ironed out, but I think it's probably just going to be mostly on each individual person. So it'd be hard to say like, oh, well, because my tablet works, but if your mouse doesn't, it's like it's hard to really say like, how do I help you with that? You know, obviously there's ways to troubleshoot it, but it's like it's hard to you know, say like, oh well, this isn't working across the board. If it was like that, where like that first page where if that was unsaturated for everyone, where it became really light, then something like that probably where adding these new pages probably works better. Best stream, yay. So yeah, thank you for that. Thanks for a lot of people joining. I don't know how that happened. So yes, again, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So today's Thursday. So I do these for roughly an hour. Toast time lasts for like the next half hour, where I'm able to just talk to directly you guys and then talk about her boring stuff or what I'm doing, regular projects that I'm doing, whatever. But yeah, I guess this could be the toast time where I can go to my regular one. Oh, best streamer, me. Yay. So yeah, I probably shouldn't go to toast time before anything bad happens, but you guys have been great. So yeah, thank you again, and till next time, see ya. Welcome back. Okay. Fitting to an hour at this point with toast time. Yeah. So now we can see like my final toast time, how that looks. Yeah, toast time is pretty. It's more like my rant time, more than anything, where I just talk about everything that's on my mind. It's like a weird journal, so I can like go back a couple months and see like how angry I was. But yeah, I'm doing okay. Yeah, this is my ramble time. So, I like to say like content is done, but it's pretty much is. I guess for this, I can say like I can keep this up until probably the canvas sketch thing, whatever, draw chat. I can keep that up for as long as it really lets me. Not sure if it deletes it automatically. Like there's a timer. Oh yeah, I can actually check. I go to the website and then let's see. Learn more about. Let's see. Have to read some stuff. I think I read somewhere that like it'll keep it for like a month or something, and then it might delete it or something. I'm not sure. Or if we want to like store it for longer. Okay, there we go. 10 megabytes of history per room. Okay, so each room that we had. I'm not sure if because there's drawing boards, there's sketch boards, and now they're saying rooms. So I'm not sure what a room is anymore. You get 10 megabytes sketchboard for free. Great. 10 megabytes cloud storage. I can upload documents, PDF, images. Oh yeah, that was another thing. We could have actually embedded images. That probably would have clicked the that megabyte limit pretty high, really quick. PNGs, images, JPEGs, PNGs, SVG. Oh no, SVGs, GIFs, WebP, up to 10 megabytes per file. So how does that work then? Okay, 1 month storage. Your progress are stored for at least 1 month. So, probably want to take some screenshots. If you really liked your drawing, go to the website and go back to where we were, and then I guess use the snip tool or something to save your picture, or it might be like a save button or something. But if you really liked it, you can save your image before I guess in April, where unless I pay for it, which yeah, probably not going to. Let's see. That might be a thing. Boop. Yeah. For those who don't know about that. Embedding images. Yeah. Sorry. You're not preserving the stream? Because I will. I'll be... So the stream itself, this video will be on my channel for as long as I can, I guess. Not sure if that Mickey will give me. Nah, that's a joke. What did that'll give me? But yeah, the actual pictures itself might not be able to be preserved for longer than a month unless I pay for it, which I doubt that I will. So, but anyway, yeah. So try and save your pictures if you really liked it, or take a snip tool if you got Windows, and then take a picture of it, or use your phone and take a picture. I don't know. Whatever you need to do. So yeah. And then maybe next time we can vote to see democratically if we want to do the scribble thing or do this again with different rules, where we can do more, maybe like organized something. Yeah, I wanted today to like just be like a playground where we could just draw whatever we wanted. Yeah, where we could just draw whatever we wanted for like an hour, and then maybe next time, once people are more comfortable with how the tools and people who came in and don't like it, then they won't be angry if we start to play a game and then disrupting the game itself, kind of a thing. So yeah, we could play a whole bunch of. This can open up a lot of different avenues. And if we need to do a different website, like if this one works 80% well, it just be if to using the memory efficiently. So yeah, any kind of like drawing games where anything that I've been doing where it's like, oh, I want to draw like a bunch of characters, or you guys get to guess what I'm drawing, haha, kind of a thing. We can do more organized stuff like that. So I draw a character memory, something like that. And then we can have team chat to figure that out. As team art draws something. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to figure out like what kind of games to do if we like this sort of style. This is definitely probably the most simplest and works well enough kind of program that I've found so far. So, if anyone else could like recommend something else that's actually dedicated to something like this, let me know. But otherwise, we'll keep using this for as long as we got got options to do. Okay. You just get a page, make a scene for 4 minutes, and then you look at him until the hour mark. You get a page to make a scene. Okay. Yeah. Stuff like that, yeah. Or we can each have a different scene and then say like, oh, this is my page, and then when we do like games, then we can just like have, page 1 Yoshi, and then if we do like picture or something, then all of my drawings will be on one page, and then we don't have to cross the streams or whatever. And then we can like say like, oh, now we're gonna go in turn. So it'll be like, oh, I need to do my turn page 1, and then someone else's page 2, and then page 3, and then go that fairly like that. And add mods. Let's manage that. But we can see like if we're where our canvas is, or like where our view is. So that works pretty well. But yeah. Obviously, because it's supposed to be collaborative, we're not able to really private it or like make sure that people don't draw on the other team, but it's not really much of a problem. You guys did really well of not graffitiing each other. So you guys are really well. You guys are like adults or something. This is great. Like all like basic like politeness stuff of like this is my corner, I'm gonna draw this, and it's like I'm not gonna draw over your art. I didn't really see that. That was great. Yeah, this works really well. You're 9? Cool. Okay. But anyway, I was gonna say something else, because I know you're not. You guys are like adults or something. But yeah. I think that's about it for what I want to say for that. That's all I gotta say about that. We can come up with different things. Probably want to come up with something before we go live, because that'll be easier. Where it's like, we'll have like 3 different ideas for games, and then we'll come in at the time and say like, oh, I thought we were gonna do this. I want you to do this, and so probably want to figure it out before, or at least vote at the beginning or something to choose, or we get a bunch of ideas for games, and then I get to choose one, and then we go from there. That could work. But yeah, it's been really fun. I got all your art, so I can look at that later. And it should be still open, at least for the month, and then it should disappear itself. I guess just to keep the servers on the website safe. But yeah, I think that's about it. I could talk about the other projects, but I think it'd be more boring than that. So I think I'll probably just do a quick sign off or something. I'll turn myself off, and then yeah. But how does that sound? Do people? How many people like this draw chat? Do you think it? People who had, what kind of experience did you have? Like, did you have a nice experience? Was it like too hard to use? Because I felt like I had a pretty good time, but I already used it yesterday as well, to get like a sort of a feel for it. So I'm more used to using these more. Uh, I'm more used to like be able to just say like, oh, this is the pen tool, and then it's P. So it's like, okay, I'm just able to just learn from that. But you guys, most of you didn't have the luxury of like looking at the instruction book and then figuring that out. Like I know some of you didn't have erasers or able to figure out like how pens work and everything. Cookie liked it. Star, cool. Scary for mod, I know. Yeah. But you guys are like adults or something, so probably with like more limits or some kind of like, hey, draw this character, and then you'll be able to just only draw that kind of thing, and then hopefully that should make sure that the scissors and cannons don't happen. It is fairly finicky, but I think it was just, yeah. But you know what I was saying like through the whole time of like, some things probably got overloaded or something happened where it was just too many. My working theory is that people using the back arrow instead of using an eraser probably broke it, but it's hard to tell. Because every time like it has to reload, it reloads every time you press the back button. So that's my only thing that I can think of. That's true. I think people who else kind of joined in for a bit. I don't know how they feel about it. And it seemed like what I was also kind of mentioning too, like the line style was also different between different users. Where again, some people were using like the more low quality pen style, where it was like weird and pixely, while others was more vectory and smooth, and others were like buttery ink arcs. So, hard to tell if that's is because of the internet. Is it the website? Is it the type of device you're using? I'm not sure. I'm thinking that the ones that were like low quality, like pixely lines, might have been mobile, where it just has to like figure out from your finger touch whatever works, or it just has to like guess between like different points of like where you're drawing. Whereas like a precise like tablet, it's like, oh, it has magnetics to be able to figure out like exactly where it is. Probably more accurate because that's how it's designed. But well, for the people who had the weirder experiences with the mobile, I encourage you to maybe use maybe it's the mouse too. I didn't think about that too. Because I was gonna say like, well, if you just use desktop with them, it was a computer, but then it's like, oh wait, people don't have tablets. Tablets are only like the cheapest tablets are like less than $50, so I used an Intuos tablet for like a couple years, and some of my cartoons are made out of that. So, whether or not you have like a $3,000 tablet, or like using your phone, it doesn't kind of like equalize us a little bit in that respect too. Somewhat. So, but yeah, hope you guys had fun. I'm sorry if you didn't. And if we try this again and you're still like upset about it, then I'm sorry. But I think I had fun. Yeah. Once I just kind of just went through you guys and just like watched you guys draw, it's like, that was really fun. But yeah, we'll have to organize a little bit more time and figure out, iron out like some of the weird technical bits and probably like, test things out and see like tell people what exactly we like to do, to avoid those technical bits. I think that'll be that to make it a little bit more smoother. But otherwise, if people want to also like research and maybe find some websites that are kind of like this, where uh, designed to draw things collectively or collaboratively, free and fun kind of thing. If we just, I mean, I'm not sure how to, entry, how to link. If you click on a link, how easy is it to like join in? I'm not sure about that. I'm sure it's kind of like also confusing where you weren't able to get your name in immediately. You have to use like a special code where you pretty much just like injecting code into the chat to be able to change your nickname. So, that's the only like weird thing with that. But people like actually want me to do like Pictionary. I'll be open to that. I'm just not sure if that particular website will be really fun on my end, especially if it doesn't work with a tablet. We'll all have to use mouse or use our phones, and it's like I'm not really jazzed about that. I'm sure there's like weird tricks to like get it to work, but I'm not sure it'll be worth the trouble at that point too as well. So, because I'm left-handed and I'm not able to really, and then I use my mouse with right hand. I'm not able to really get the same kind of fluid like motions and draw things well. Because also I did play a Pictionary game yesterday too. That's where I found out that the mouse didn't work. As well as just trying to draw something and just like the words that they had were like, my first word was like cheese, and it's like okay, and so I drew out like the 3/4 like Swiss cheese slice thing, and it's like that was not really fun to draw. And the next thing that I did like 2 rounds, and it's just like, hey, the next word is early, and it's just like that's not a noun. And it was just like, so I drew like I tried to draw like a school, sort of like desk things, and like have like a character, and then point to a clock and say like, oh, it's 5 o'clock, and it's like, isn't that weird how it's 5 o'clock? And then people didn't get it, so that's why I'm a little bit like hesitant to like jump aboard this other like similarly Pictionary game. We do Pictionary and I DM you. Don't piece up the drum. Everyone else guesses. Yeah, we'll have to have like some kind of moderator just pick out like a word bank. That'd be good, yeah, because otherwise we'll just not really have. We'll still be like coming up with our own words and just say like, oh, I'm gonna draw a monkey, woo, and then be like, oh, okay, because then we'll be at the same place. So yeah, we'll have to have some kind of word bank, but then someone who's not gonna draw as well, pick them. So yeah, if Star or someone else would like to create a word bank of stuff like that, that'd be fantastic. That there. So yeah, let me get some water. So hang on. Yeah. So I think Pictionary is probably going to be our best guess for like what we're going to do next. I'll probably use this, where then we can do multiplayer and people who want to join in draw, and then Team Art can like guess the words, and then Team Art can draw them. That means that Team Art won't be able to really score points, but maybe if they get words that, if they draw something and then someone guesses the word, then they get a point too, I guess. I don't know. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, and that'll work well because probably like half of us are artistically somewhat inclined. So yeah, we'll have to organize it a little bit better. But yeah, this today was just see if the website works, see if people are able to join in, see if people can draw things. So on the whole, I think it worked pretty well. So pretty surprised. Things to be drawing grass. Yes, that'd be perfect. Okay. And then if we don't pick Pictionary, then we'll have another word bank for later. Alrighty. I think that's about it. So I could talk about other things as well, but I think, yeah, they're not really as forward on my mind as this is. Yeah. Very surprised. Yeah, I'll have to check it tomorrow and see if anyone actually draws anything more. Keep checking it. Yeah. I'll have to see how many pages we can do as well. That'd be interesting. But okay. I think we'll call that pretty good. Okay. I think I'm going to end it here. What's the button? What's the button? I forgot. Okay, I got it. I temporarily forgot which. There's like two things that like in. There's like two buttons to end the stream, and then I forgot which one it was. Okay. So yes. Thank you again. It's been really fun. Thanks for making it fun. Thanks for being really friendly and doing little in-jokes, but like they're your little schoolyard fun things and not being overly political. Thank you for that. But yeah, thanks for a good time. Hope you had fun too. And if you're on team chat, hopefully next time we'll have more interactivity or direct interactivity for you guys. And team art, keep practicing and maybe like figure out like more of the different tools, like if we need to do a Mandelbrot for whatever reason, you can figure that out. But yeah, thanks again, and see you next time. Bye bye.